It's release day. It's Palomino Air Jordan 1 release day. I'm here at the mall. Let's go pick these up. Let's take a stop at Foot Locker before we go pick up the shoes. I got the Burgundy 5 sitting. Cool to see them. Retail's too high, but nice shoe. I've never seen these Air Force Ones before. Air Force Ones are still popping. These are nice. Those Jordans don't see much. Oh, they got those 5s, 13s. Got some 1 mids. Not seeing too much. 1 rose right there. Nothing crazy here at Foot Locker, it looks like. Yeah, not much. Foot Locker didn't have much, but it's all right. Let's go pick up these Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Let me know down below in the comments. Did you guys cop? If you did cop the Palominos, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you took the L or you didn't go after them, you didn't like them, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who copped the Palomino Air Jordan 1s today. Finish line. Let's go inside. 5s are sitting.
Go see him.
7s. Some Jordan 1 Rose. From a distance, these look like the breads, don't they? Look, that's crazy. We got some mids, UNC mids. I don't know what those are. Like 312s or something like that. Got a few colors. Jordan 1 Rose. Take a look at these. Haven't seen these yet. Something different. Alright. 13s. Ooh, they got the Burgundy 5s. Burgundy 5s. Haven't seen these. Quality is nice, I must say. I like the quality. People are gonna sleep on these though. Definitely, retail's too high. They'll probably go on sale. 13s. Pretty cool to see some stuff sitting right now for retail. Of course, Finish Line has the Crocs. If you guys haven't seen my Crocs video, make sure you guys go check that out. Looks like nobody's here right now. Not there in the back. Alright, there's my reservation. There they are. Quick look at them real quick? Yeah. Take a look at them. Yeah. Nice. Similar to what's on my feet right now.
Yeah,
Mochas. Yeah. Fire. Can I use your board to get them from the retail?
Not on the release, no.
Damn. Alright, I tried.
Did you only got a men's pair, right?
Yeah.
No kids? Okay.
No, just the men's.
So it's 180?
Cool. There we go.
And then it just asks how you want your receipt.
I'll take a picture. Cool. Thank you, bro. Have a good day.
You too.
We got them. People see the camera, they know a little bit who I am, and then they ask, what's the channel? What's the channel? Or that, yo, are you dating more? I get it all the time. So shout out to you guys. But right here, we got the Finish Line 1s. Woohoo! Got them. Very, very dope. Whoa, what's going on right now? Yo, these guys gotta chill. These guys gotta chill. Uh-oh, no, stop. Bro, I don't think I can show this, but they're pushing each other back and forth right now. Guys, chill. Chill. This is crazy right now. Stop, yo. Oh, no. Oh, no, he just swung on him, bro. No. Yo, get... Oh, this is a beating. Where's security? I don't know. I'm gonna put this camera down. I gotta go. This is crazy. This is nuts. They're fighting right now, guys. Why? Where is everybody? There's like a few people here. This is crazy. Holy crap. I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm getting out of here, actually. Let me get out of here. This is crazy. I don't want them to be fighting, and I don't want to see it. I'm out. That is absolutely crazy. You guys gotta chill. I'm out of here. But that is absolutely ridiculous. At least we got the shoes, though. Finally, Palominos. Let me get out of here because I don't want to be involved in that fight whatsoever. They're pushing each other. That was crazy. And he just threw a punch. I'm out. I am definitely out. Yeah, not staying around for a fight when I'm doing my thing here. No way. That is crazy. I'm out. All right, guys, let's go take a look at the Palominos. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'm not sticking around for a fight in the mall. I got things I got to do. I'm out. I'm not even sticking around. I don't want to be a part of security and none of that. That is absolutely ridiculous. I want nothing to do with that at all. It's very simple. There's a fight involved. I don't want to stick around for it like that because security and cops and all that, I'm not trying to be around that, deal with that, none of that. I'm just trying to get my shoes and get out. I don't believe in the fighting over shoes or whatever they were fighting over. Guys, chill. You're in the mall in a public spot. Not a good look. And it's just gonna lead to trouble. And I don't wanna be a part of it. So I ran out of there. I'm out of breath, but I'm out. At least we got the shoes. Outright Brand's new collection for the Palomino Air Jordan 1s is live. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Go copy your tees, your shorts, your hats, all to match your new Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Every single week we get a new sneaker release. Well, Outright Brand makes clothing to match those sneakers. So make sure you guys check out Outright Brand, link down below in the description, and make sure you guys use my promo code Danny Moore for 10% off your entire order. In this entire video and right now, I'm wearing Outright Brand gear. Make sure you guys check out their amazing high quality t-shirts. Their clothes do fit true to size. Thanks Outright Brand for sponsoring today's video. I got exclusive access. Here they are. We got the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. I'm very excited to see them. I haven't seen them in a handful of months. These right here are crazy, and I'm wearing the mochas right now, which is a very nice look. The brown is so close, in my opinion, and just a good overall shoe. I love them. The Palomino Jordan 1s right here, these are absolutely fire. Absolutely crazy. The brown is so nice. They got the bread color blocking. You got the gold Nike Air on the tongue. These are nice. That sail-like midsole, and then a brown, beautiful chocolate brown to go with it. These are crazy. Such a nice shoe. We saw prices actually today go up a little bit, but I think they will drop down again. But these are very, very dope. The quality is nice. Oh, these are so dope. Definitely a nice shoe. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys copped. These are nice, man. Such a good shoe. We haven't had a bunch of good Jordan 1 releases this year, in my opinion, but this one definitely stands out. These stand out as one of the better Jordan 1 releases of the entire year. The Palominos here, these are crazy. I think Jordan Brand killed it on this release. If we see more good colors like this, I'm gonna be very, very happy. They could take this color blocking and use a bunch of different colors, and I think it'll look good. And right here, it's just a very dope shoe. The brown is so nice. Prices are low, so if you guys definitely are interested in a pair, I recommend grabbing them. It's a great personal. These are fire, man. Straight fire. Leather quality could be better, but it's not bad. As far as the leather, I am a huge fan of it, actually. I think it's pretty soft. The suede, I wish was more suede-y, had more suede, longer-haired suede on it. We do have this short nubuck, durbuck material, but I am a huge fan. These are absolutely crazy. Very, very dope. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys were able to cop them today. If you weren't able to cop, are you going to pay resale? Is this something that you're after, even if you took the L? I know a lot of people wanted these. The hype was definitely there. Demand was there. I'm not sure if they sold out. I'm pretty sure they did. They sold out online. In store, you might be able to go get them still. So make sure you guys check your local stores. Very, very dope, man. Palominos, no complaints from me. Very happy to see them. Finally, you know, this shoe's been leaked for quite a while. We finally got the release today, and these are just straight fire. One of the better Jordan 1 releases of the entire year. These, and I would say probably the UNC toes, those two really stand out to me as like some of the best Jordan 1 highs we've received all year. I feel like Jordan Brand has not been giving us great colorways on the Jordan 1 high, but these hit, these slap. Very, very dope. And on my feet right now, I actually have the mochas. We got the mochas. So the brown is dope. I love brown. I think it's a very good color. It's wearable, very wearable for me. As you guys can see, my mochas are beat up. So the Palominos fit right in with that brown theme. These are just crazy. Quality's nice. Two great colorways, great color blocking here on the Jordan 1. These are absolutely fire. I love the Palominos. Happy to hit them today on release day. These were definitely a must. Stay tuned. We got more content coming on Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Let me know your size, and DM me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture. Take a screenshot. Send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the Palomino Air Jordan 1 giveaway that ends at the end of September. Good luck on the giveaway. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments if you picked up the Palomino Air Jordan 1s. Let's toss these on feet.